Remove the switch panel so you have access to the back side. Then activate whichever switch you'd like to add the functions to, and simply disconnect the jumper on the back side of the panel and then reconnect it. Now that switch has the strobe and flash functions that are activated by a simple double click. If you're going to add more switches to that function, be sure that the switch you already have activated to that function is on when you program the other switches. To deprogram the switch, with all switches off, remove and reconnect the jumper. Now all switches are back to basic function.